Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make money on YouTube even if you have 0 views and 0 subscribers in 2019. I know a lot of you guys are struggling to get started on getting views and subscribers on YouTube, so in today's video I'm going to focus on how to get views and subscribers even if you have 0 subscribers and 0 views. So this works 100%, and I'm going to show you guys the fastest way to reach that 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours to get monetized on YouTube. So if this is something that you are interested in, make sure to watch this video till end. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button because we release daily videos on this channel on how to make money online and how to make money on YouTube, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So guys, let's jump straight into this video. So first thing that you want to do is obviously you need to create YouTube account. So it is really easy to create YouTube account. Just create Gmail account, and once you log in you're going to have your YouTube account. So that is where you're going to post your videos. I know a lot of you guys already have YouTube account, obviously 99.9%, but we don't want to miss this step. We want to do it step by step. Our second step is pick a niche that you want to post. So for this method of getting views, I would focus something around niches, and the reason why is you're going to see a little bit later why you want to pick a niche for your YouTube channel, and you don't want just to post random vlogs or something like that. So you want to post some niche videos, and these are just an examples: relationships, weight loss, business, cooking, food, sports. So almost any niche out there you can post on your YouTube channel, but you want to pick one niche and you don't want to post random videos. So you're going to see why is that. So after you're done with picking a niche, you want to create content on your channel. So there are two ways that I suggest you guys to create your content, and you can record your own videos. That is going to be a little bit harder part. Or second way is use Creative Commons. So basically, what are Creative Commons? You can type in your Google search Creative Commons YouTube, and you're going to see a page like this. So basically, what Creative Commons does is you can post, if someone posts their video with Creative Commons, they are selected with Creative Commons, you can reuse their videos. So just to give you guys an example, if we are looking for weight loss, so these are videos that are probably copyrighted. So how you want to look for Creative Commons? So click on filter, and you're going to see here Creative Commons. So basically what this means is that you can download this video and you can re-edit it or create compilation, or I don't know, you can do whatever you want to. The thing that I wouldn't do is just to download it and re-upload it. So you want to cut some parts, maybe you can re-edit it again or something like that, and then you can post on your YouTube channel. And as I said, there are two ways you can record your own videos. You can use Creative Commons. There is no limit. You can do whatever you want to. This video is not dedicated on how to create videos. This video is dedicated on how to get views and subscribers. If you want to see more content on how to create videos or something like that, you can check that out on my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos about that. So our fourth step is use Google to get traffic. So I'm going to show you guys and explain you guys what is happening here. So a lot of the times when, for example, I post my YouTube video on this channel, I don't need to promote my videos because I have already subscribers that are going to watch videos. But what is happening if you have 0 views and 0 subscribers? So I would suggest you guys the fastest way is to look for subscribers and views. So I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to do it. So how to get views and subscribers even if you have 0 subscribers. So I would use Google to find blogs, websites to promote our YouTube videos. So I'm going to show you guys an example of how to do it. So I am looking for weight loss, and as you can see I have typed in weight loss, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on tools. So I'm going to search for some blog posts and website posts that are, let's say, in 24 hours. So these are fresh new posts that we can use to promote our YouTube videos. So you can't really promote on any website, but the websites that already have a comment selection, here you can see this is an example. So here you can see you can click on post comment and you can say, hey, I have created some video around weight loss. You can check that out on this link, and you can leave your link here in comment selection. So a lot of people that are looking at these blog posts are going to be interested in what are you talking about, because they are here to look for how to lose weight. So if you are providing them that answer, they're going to check they're going to check your YouTube channel. If the content is really helpful, they're going to press that like button, they're going to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and you're going to get a view. So these websites are getting a lot of traffic. So you can probably get around, let's say, from 100 to 1000 views just from this website. So I'm not sure, I'm not guaranteeing anything. I can't really tell how many views you're going to get. But this is just an example, and what you want to do is you want to check all of these websites and you want to try to promote your YouTube video as many times as you can. So sometimes these websites won't have comment selection. You can see this website also has a comment selection right here. So sometimes they're not going to have comment selection, so you can't promote on any website. Sometimes they're going to get deleted, but once they if on the some of the websites are going to leave your comment, and you're going to get a lot of views from those blog posts or website posts. It doesn't really matter. So that is how you can get some views right there. Second thing is you want to search for forums. But again, you don't want to search, let's say if you are promoting weight loss, you want to search for weight loss forums. You don't want to go on weight loss forums and promote, let's say, how to make money online. No one cares. You want to promote some products or some videos that are highly recommended from these blog posts, because if someone is searching on weight loss and they are searching, they have found this website, they're highly interested in weight loss. So if you're providing them value from your video, they're going to press the subscribe button, they're going to like your video, and once you get that snowball rolling, you're going to make it bigger and bigger, and once you reach, let's say, 1000 subscribers, you don't even need to do this anymore, because you're going to get organically traffic. So if we are searching for weight loss forum, you don't want to go on past 24 hours, you want to go on all time. So this is an example of successful forum. So basically this is a weight loss forum, and you want to search for some of the most asked questions. So once you find that most asked question, you want to make a YouTube video around that, and you want to answer their question, and you want to promote your YouTube video. So that is how you can make also some money from promotions on your promotions on these forums. So you can also promote some affiliate products in your videos, and you can make more money with that, but we're not going to talk about that in today's video. So third way is you can go and promote your videos on Reddit. So you can create very useful videos and promote them on Reddit. But if you're promoting your videos on Reddit, I wouldn't talk about affiliate products, because Reddit is going to think that you're trying to sell some products and they're going to remove your video. So it is a little bit hard to promote your videos on Reddit, but you can do it if you don't sell anything, if you're just giving value away. You can also join Facebook groups. I don't want to show you guys that. So you can look for big Facebook groups and you can join them, and you can promote that way your videos and get subscribers. And the fifth way is, I have already talked about this in the previous video. So you want to find some big YouTube channels in your niche and you want to promote your YouTube channel. So to give you guys an example, if we are searching for weight loss and we don't want creative comments, so if we are searching for weight loss and we see that this video is doing very well, it has 1.7 million views in 5 months. So what you want to do is you want to post some comments related to this video, and you want to say, for example, like this guy. You don't want to do it like this guy. This guy has posted his probably affiliate link, but you want to say, hey, if you're interested in how to lose weight or something like that, make sure to check my YouTube channel out. So they're going to click, for example, on your YouTube channel, and if they find your videos very helpful, they're going to press that again subscribe button. And if they don't find your video helpful, you're just going to get views. So either way, it is going to work very good for you. So that is how you can grow your YouTube channel. And again, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your videos with AdSense. So the easiest way to make money on YouTube is to monetize your videos with AdSense. That is not the best way to do it. So that would be it for today's video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that like button and make sure to press that subscribe button so you don't want to miss that upcoming fresh new methods. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.